In these problems, we're looking at different types of scales and making sure we can read them correctly. The first question here says, what weight does the arrow mark on the scale below? So if I look at this, I see there's a 20 and a 40, so the numbers are going up by 20, 20, 40, 60, 80. If that's the case, then the number that's right in between those two must be 10 up. So it would go 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And I can kind of stop there because that arrow is pointing at 50, and this is pounds, so it looks like our answer is 50 pounds. Let's look at another one. This one shows a temperature scale. What temperature does the thermometer show? And it's pointing up over here. And as I read this one, you know, it's close to 60. It's somewhere between 50 and 60, but it's really close to 60. So if I had to guess, I'd probably say 58 or 59. But if I look more closely, it might be too small for you to see, there are little dots in here. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dots between the 50 and the 60. So I think that these must be, you know, 1 degrees because it goes from 50 to 60 with 10 spaces. And this is pointing on the very last dot before 60. So I would say this is 59 degrees, and looks like this is Celsius. Let's try one more. This is also a thermometer, but a different sort. It says what temperature is shown on the given thermometer, and this is Fahrenheit. And as it goes up here, we're somewhere between 20 and 30, right? And it looks like we're pretty much, well, just a smidge over halfway between 20 and 30. And if I count the number of spaces or marks in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 5 of them. So it looks like if there are 5 divisions between 20 and 30, they must go up by 2s. So this would be 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Yeah, that checks out. And this guy looks to be right on that mark. So 22, 24, 26. I would say this is 26 degrees Fahrenheit. So those are a few problems reading scales.